Dustin Attenborough here again, folks. Desolation. Obliteration. During the night, the battle commenced. Events. War. And now, nothing remains of the once great Attenborough. The tribe of ants, as I call them, that I considered my friends. The queen, she is gone. The ants you see before you, the victors now taking everything over. The ants that remain from the tribe, given a simple choice: join or join their dead queen. Oh. Now the great tree no longer divides the two tribes. There's only one. The local homeless man told me the noise was deafening throughout the night, like a scene from Gladiator. This is nature, folks. This is reality. Join me next time. Bye for now.